Here in this video, we will show you how can admin change the currency for any customer from admin panel in WHMCS. If you would like to change the currency for a particular customer in your WHMCS, then in that case, first of all, let us understand that if any customer is buying any service from your WHMCS website, then while he adds everything to the cart and proceeds towards checkout, you will realize that by default, he uses your base currency, that is INR. Now, if you want him to deal with dollars specifically, then in that case, first of all, log into your WHMCS admin dashboard and then go to View Search Clients, which is given under Clients section. Now from here, search that particular client and then click over his name. Now from here, go to Profile and then come towards the bottom of the screen, and there on the right hand side, you will find currency option. You can switch this currency from INR to USD. In this way, only this particular customer will be able to deal in USD. So all the invoices, bills, etc. will be generated only in US dollars. Now finally click over Save to apply these changes. Now after the currency, all the invoices and orders which will be created for that particular customer will only come in dollars. So if you check any invoice, you will find that all the invoices which were generated in INR is now present in dollar format. In this way, you can manage currency as per the customer. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.